up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope you guys are cutting on. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 3 things that makes me want to quit lawn care. First, if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. I'm just a guy who's trying to take his $300,000 business to $500,000 this year. Also, my goal is to get 5,000 subscribers this year, so hook a brother up. So while you're here, man, some of the things that just make me want to quit lawn care altogether. Number 3, nagging customers, man. Nothing is ever right, and they want to tell you how to run your business.
I want you to come every 4 weeks instead of every 2.
I was wondering, I know you said you don't push, but you think you can buy a lawnmower and push my yard?
You need to hire some better people.
Do you check checks? I want to mail you your check, and if I mail it today, you probably get it in about, I'll say about 4 or 5 weeks.
I called you yesterday to let you know that I wanted you to skip today, but you cut my yard and I needed you to skip.
This time, you need to cut my hedges like 3 inches shorter than last time, because last time you only took that much off, and you charged too much money to be only cutting that much off.
Fam, clients like this make me want to quit lawn care. But at the end of the day, I got to keep pushing on. That's what I'm going to do, because the majority of my clients are not like them. But man, just a little bit. It's almost like that small little fly that be, that just be nagging you. And that's a good word for it, nagging. But you also got to look at it from this perspective. It's that small, so it's best that you cut on. Number 2 reason, grown men, your workers, got every excuse not to come to work.
Boss, I ain't gonna be able to make it. I know it's the 17th time my car broke down.
Hey boss, I'm gonna have to go to the school to pick my son up. He got in trouble again.
So can you come in later on?
Nah, not really. No.
Hey boss, I ain't gonna be able to come in today, but I will be able to come pick up my check though.
Hey boss, my grandmama passed, man. I mean, she ain't my real grandmama, but she was really, she really meant a whole lot to me.
Okay, when she passed?
Oh, she passed about 3 years ago, and every year about this time, I just can't work.
Really? The best people that work for me is my family. I got family who understand that this is how we make a living. This is how we cut on. They put in the work, man. And I can't cut all this grass by myself. The number 1 reason why I want to walk away from lawn care sometime is the equipment keep breaking down.
Boss, did you know that the 36 is not working? Yeah, the 36 not working, the 60-inch not working, the blower is not working, and the box truck, it has the check engine light on.
Fam, what I realize is this. Companies been in this business understand the appreciation of a lawnmower. And they understand that this is not set up for you to ride and ride and ride and ride. Due to the fact that most lawnmowers have a 2-year to 3-year commercial life on it, lets you know they know something that you may not know. They know that stuff gonna break down. And I'm telling you, man, this year, man, kaping, kapat, kaplooey, everything done broke down at least 3 times. I'm not joking when I say this, man. Hey, at the end of the day, if you want to be in this business, you want to cut on, you better save your pennies, your change for replacing that equipment, because it is going to go. Now, they sell you this 3-year, 1,300 hours. Man, believe me, and you ain't gonna get no 1,300 hours out of most of this equipment that you put in this. You're not gonna do it, because at the end of the day, Mother Nature always wins. It has a way of tearing stuff up, and it's gonna tear your commercial mower up. Point blank simple. So as you cut on, you need to deposit So I want to encourage all those people who are in this work, hey, cut on, lawn care family, cut on. Because I can't cut all this grass by myself. I'm cutting out. Peace.